Box 4, a roll die. Should call it a roll die instead of a roll assisted. That's pretty good. I like that. Sounds good. A roll die. Gen X waves get shit on. Jeez. Alright, it's going to be our on card in the first pack. Carlos Santana for the Indians, number due $2.99. Robbie Alomar to 99 for the Blue Jays. I think it's upside down. Yes. Alright, we'll slow it up and down this time, see what it is. Drew Pomeranz, Colorado Rockies. Chuck CJ17 with the Rockies. We got Drew Pomeranz. So we got 2 Aroldis and a Pomeranz. For our on-card autos so far. Wow. How about them? Mike Stanton, number to 199 for the Marlins. Bob Gibson for the Cardinals Canvas Collection. And the hit is numbered to 25. Good luck, guys. Numbered out of 25. Numbered out of 25. We got a nice 3-color patch on there. Look at that one. Boom! Joe Mauer for the Twins. Yo, it's cool. Jersey 3-color patch auto. That's sick. That's a good one right there. Mauer. Very rare. Don't hit too many Mauers. Very, very nice. Look at that one. 14 out of 25. Holy cow. That's fucking retarded. We got Edgar Martinez, number to 299 for the Mariners. Base. Big jersey, big jersey, big jersey, big jersey, big jersey. Torrey Hunter, Los Angeles Angels. Big ass jersey. Los Angeles Angels, big ass jersey, number to 50. 33 out of 50. The Angels is Ed, Ace Fan 7. Ed. Last pack. Pablo Sandoval to 199 for the Giants. Roogie, what team do you got? The White Sox? Wow, he's already given up. He's giving up early. He's giving up, guys. What he's giving up? We got Miggy Cabrera, David Ortiz, Adrian Gonzalez, and Prince Fielder. That's going to go right to the Red Sox. 2 Red Sox on there. Quad relic. Those Red Sox still working. K. Clark, 3rd hit for the Sox. 2nd quad jersey for the Sox. That's box 4. Peace. Box 5 Museum. Batman in full effect, pulling Yu Darvish like it's fucking job tonight. Boom. What do you got? And Joe Mauer. Dang, and Ian Kinsler jumbo patch. It's something else. Miller Lite. The Dark Knight drinks Miller Lite. You didn't know that? Jeez. You guys live under a rock or something? Good luck. Pack 1. And the Thunder are going to the finals. We got an on-card autograph right here. It might be a Aroldis Chapman. Dan Uggla for the Braves, number to 299. Base got a canvas card. Frank Robinson for the Reds. And a Robinson Cano to 99 for the Yankees. This one is Julio Teheran for the Atlanta Braves. All pitchers so far for the on-card autos, including the Darvish. Darvish, 2 Chapmans, a Teheran, and a Pomeranz. Excuse me. Braves is Armo Armo 21. Alright, next one. Good luck. Michael Pineda. Yanks. Number 199. Base. For the Red Sox, there's some ink for the Red Sox. 4th hit for the Sox. Daniel Bard, number 235, triple jersey autograph. K. Clark, Sox. There you go. Phil Niekro, Atlanta Braves. A-Rod to 99 for the Yankees. And Ricky Romero. Got another pitcher. Ricky, this isn't our third autograph in this box. Third autograph of the box. Ricky Romero for the Blue Jays. Bulldogs, Blue Jays and Astros. Weird. Don Mattingly to 299 for the Yankees. Got a Vlad Guerrero canvas card for the Nationals / Expos. And we got our 4th, this whole box was autographs. Look at that. We got our 4th autograph. Good luck. All auto box. Number 250 jersey, auto jersey of Mike Trout. Or Mark Trumbo. Which one? I can't see from this far away. Mark Trumbo. Sorry. Both are MTRs. I can't see it backwards. That is Mr. Trumbo, number 250 for the Anaheim Angels. And that is box number 5. That's for Ed. Good luck. Museum Collection, box number 6. Very thin pack here. Very thin pack. Could be our 3rd redemption. It's not a white one again, like the Yu Darvish, sorry. But it is our 3rd redemption. Starlin Castro for the Cubs to 299. Yes. And this guy right here, it says... There it is! It's a museum gold! See, you could still get museums. You guys, you could still get them. All worried and stuff. Yeah, what is your PM? Clyde, if this PM that you're sending me says something about you not getting anything good, look at that. We are killing it. What's the next card? Museum Collection Willie Mays for Frito Bandito. Holy shit. Yeah, you are killing it, Clyde. Jesus. Wow. You gotta be kidding me. I'll be numbered out of 15 gold. Numbered out of 15. We got that. We got Ian Kinsler, Jumbo Patch Auto, and the Yu Darvish. Those are our 3 redemptions. Yeah. He actually, no, he wrote me a PM that said we are killing it, me and him. Like me, because we were both getting shut out. Send me a PM, right? I swear, right as I was sliding that card, it was flashing. And I looked and it said, we are killing it. You're killing, look at Dr. Junk trying to jinx himself. I'm killing it. Alright, sorry YouTube, you can't read the blog chat. It's pretty funny though if you could, I promise you. Sandy Koufax to 199. Here's another PM from Roogie. Getting shut out from Roogie. Alright. Sandy Adrian Beltre, Rangers. Pablo Sandoval, Giants. Who cares? We got an Angels canvas card of Rod Carew. And the hit, luck, is Jaime Garcia for the Cardinals. Street Monkey, 3-color patch, jersey auto, Jaime Garcia. Number to 179. 179. Oh man. Alright, we got Matt Kemp for the Dodgers, number to 299. Miggy Cabrera Tigers. Jose Reyes Marlins, blah blah blah. Here's your dude, here's your dude. Ryan Braun, Jumbo Relic for the Brewers. Dr. Jung, killing it. Got one. Got one. Not that big though, but he's got one. 20 out of 35. And the last pack, the last pack, good luck. Last pack, anticlimactic for the win. Here we go. Tony Gwynn for the Padres, number to 199. Base. Here's the last card, good luck. Jimmy Rollins, Troy Tulowitzki, Hanley Ramirez, and Starlin Castro. We got a quad. Phillies, Marlins, Rockies, and Cubs. Shortstops, NL shortstops. Number to 75. That one will have to be random. That is our case. Thanks for watching. These are the dudes. There's the dudes right there. Willie Mays. We got Ian Kinsler, Jumbo. And then we got the U. It's 3 awesomest redemptions I ever had in one break altogether.